Our Gingiva-Composites are conceived to individually layer and model the gingival area of resin frameworks, whether they are temporaries or final restorations. Let's start with the composite cleaning liquid, which is used to clean the sandblasted resin surface. In order to achieve an optimal bond between the composite and the resin framework, apply composite bonding liquid to the structure and then polymerize it. Now, we can proceed layering with composites, starting with the darker composites, in shades 4 to 6, and moving on to the lighter ones, 0 and 1. These last shades are mainly used to imitate the gingival margin. To recreate a natural-looking surface, a combination of different tools is necessary, as for example, a sponge, several metal instruments and bristle brushes. For certain gingival areas, such as the bone contour and labial frenulum, we recommend using the composite paste 0. After the gingiva has been finally modeled, the applied composites are polymerized under a UV lamp. The product composite removing gel is then applied to provide greater opacity to the gingiva and to completely remove the inhibition layer formed during the polymerizing process. At this point, if desired, the structure can be high-gloss polished with the composite polishing paste and a polishing brush. As you can see, with this procedure, it is possible to recreate an aesthetically pleasing and natural-looking gingiva.